Hello, my name is Holly Morris, and this is my presentation on 2.04 Healthy Forests. These are some of the pictures of my trail ride that I went on today. And this is a picture of what Loxahatchee Slough normally looks like in the wet season. And this is a map of Loxahatchee Slough, and so it's this entire area. It's huge. And this little area right here is where my property is, so we're pretty close. Not exactly walking distance, but we're a solid half-hour away. But yeah. My ride through the forest. I went on a trail ride today with my Mustang Alvin, and I rode through the Loxahatchee Slough. My horse went through many different natural obstacles. The first question. What is a list of at least 6 different components living and not living? I saw a lot of wildlife on my ride. I saw 4 deer, 7 hogs, and a ton of birds. I also saw a bunch of different trees and plants. I didn't get a chance to take a picture of them, but I wish I did. I saw wild cinnamon, some red maple, and I even saw some giant royal palms because there's an old tree farm on the border of the property. Second question. What is my observation? What is my opinion on regarding the health of the forest? I believe this ecosystem is very healthy. Even with the zero rain, it looked to be thriving and well. 3. My favorite activity, obviously, to do in a forest is horseback ride, and I would love to go skydiving eventually as well. And I could, in future reference, protect the area and its health by staying on the trails and not wandering, and also not letting my horse stomp on plants as well. So that was my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.